Good morning, I'm Joni, and this is your PHS News Today for Tuesday, November 27th. Drama Club's dance workshop will be Thursday, December 6th. That is a change from the original date. Wear comfortable clothes and bring your enthusiasm. Drama Club will be reading scripts this Wednesday after school. If you are interested in helping, choose a musical for next semester. Come get familiar with the scripts and songs. And now to Audrey with your Ram Sports Report.
Thank you, Joni. 7th and 8th grade girls basketball both won at Springs Valley last night. Tonight, boys varsity wrestling will be at Providence starting at 6. Come support your Rams in action tonight. Back to you, Joni.
Attention students. Mr. Stroud, Mrs. Dow, Mrs. Matheny, and NHS students will be offering extra credit for each session. Students attend to review about ISTEP. And if a student brings a parent or guardian, they can gain extra points. ISTEP meetings will start next week, Monday 5 to 6 and Wednesday 3:15 to 4:15 in Mr. Stroud's room. If you have any questions, please contact your math teacher. Yearbooks are for sale for $35 in Mrs. Nichols' room. You can drop off money in the office or in room 115. If you have any questions, please contact Mrs. Nichols. I'm Joni, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a Joni-tastic day.